So guys, we completed with the Naida caves. Now we are going forward with our next destination, which is Dew Fort. So before that, we stopped by here to to see one sea view where whole sea is covered, and we'll have some nice pictures and video here. So I'll show you something. So guys, we are here at the Jalandhar beach. So I googled it and found that the location is the Jalandhar beach. So our initial plan was to go to Naida caves and then the Dew Fort, but in the middle of the journey we found that this is the one of the beach we should go. And when we reach here, we found that this is the Jalandhar beach and it is in our destination list. So it's very calm and relaxing. See, my folks are coming. Hi Mayur. How are you feeling, man? Good. Is it relaxing? Awesome place. Awesome. So is it relaxing? Yeah. So we touched down our feet into the water. It's feel like amazing. So two fellow are also coming. That's in the mind. How are you feeling, guys?
Good. Good.
Do you guys know this is the Jalandhar beach only?
Yes.
It was in our destination list.
One of the cleanest
Yeah.
in India. मैं आज नहीं यार एक ले जाए तब.
See, so we guys are enjoying very much. So we'll connect you after some time, and we'll definitely share some pics and videos of this place. So guys, we reach the Dew Fort now, and we're gonna see what is that. And we left from the Jalandhar beach, and now we reached here. So here I can see the crowd. So what I will do is I will first take a mask out of my pocket and wear it because it's necessary. So I'll wear. Sorry for the interruption. So I will wear Superman's mask because here you can see. I'll show you. The peoples are here, crowds are here. So I'll better to have safety first. Okay. You can see here the market stalls like that. Small stalls are here. People are selling things. Some dry fruits are here. People are selling the dry fruits and this chana gur garam, chana chor garam, and the coconut water and the nimbu pani. And this is the entrance of the fort. So let's start the journey of the fort. Let's see what is that. Okay. Oh wow. So this is the entrance of the fort. Let's move ahead and see what all things are here in the fort. So I guess we should go with the stairs first and check it out, like what is there. So Mayur first going, and then after Akshay, and Mayank is going faster than both of them. Now let's see how's the view from this fort. Wow, really nice. What was that? Is it a jail?
Yeah, it's a jail.
Oh, it's a lighthouse. Okay. So we have one lighthouse also in the fort, top of the fort. We'll go there and shoot some video from there. This is the entry point. We are going inside. Wow. So see the stairs of this fort, length and the height of these stairs. So should we start from here or yeah, okay, so we climb the stairs and we'll go to the top of that fort. Let's start. I'll be very careful because the stairs are well heighted. So what you are guys telling me?
He's just cracking a joke.
What was the joke? Tell us also. Give us the opportunity to laugh as well.
This is not for our viewers.
Okay. Is it a dating? Oh,
Why do you have to first of all check?
look like we are in the wrong way. Let's go down now. So here you can see the battleships are here. The battleships which used in the histories of battle, which made of metal, solid metals. This is the top view of the fort. You can see this battleship tank. And the fort and the sea.